Alright, so I was watching White House on the Hill the other day, and I saw this video on how to prevent yourself or resist buying chicks from your feed store. Didn't give any thought of it or anything, but today my wife and I went to Tractor Supply. We went there looking for some stuff for the kids. My wife got suckered into looking at all the chicks, and I felt, we didn't come here for chicks, so this video I'm going to show you what happened there. So stay tuned and find out whether or not we could resist the chicks.
So what are we looking at? Gardening tools?
Yep. We didn't come here looking for baby chicks, but we did come to look at garden tools.
Look how tiny they are. They're itty bitties.
On this side it says, "I'm a baby chick, not an Easter gift."
We're chicken parents. We have 8 already at home.
Alright, so
We've got year-old chickens, so.
no baskets for the chick.
No, we didn't put them. We got them the day before Easter as a birthday present last year.
Well, that's the day you're gonna get the best deal.
But we are resisting the chickens today.
No, you're buying me chickens.
No, we're not.
Because we're closed on Easter, and nobody wants to come feed them. So the bantams.
Is that what they are? The bantams? They're very tiny.
Yes, those.
So little.
Yeah, but you need like a dozen of them to make an omelet. Because they don't get much bigger than like that. So yes, they're cute and cuddly and all those things, but
Do you have any Cornish cross in here?
I don't have Cornish crocks, I have Cornish rocks.
How big do they get?
Big enough to feed 4. In the 8 to 12 week range.
We're not ready for them yet. We still got to build the brooder.
We can use last year's brooder until you build the new brooder.
No. We're resisting the chicks today.
But they're so cute. They're so fluffy.
And there'll be more, and they'll be cute then too.
I know. What about some ducks? We haven't had ducks yet.
Oh, the ducks might be a good option.
You see?
But I don't think we're doing the ducks today
We could throw
either.
a couple ducks in with our chickens.
Ducks?
Where do we get turkeys? You guys don't do turkeys,
We
right?
do not in the building. You can special order turkeys, a minimum of 10 though.
Right. I know you have to buy a
Yeah,
bunch of
and
them because
they'll-
they're weaker.
They'll ship them to your house. The mailman will come knocking on your door.
He is the mailman.
Okay. All right. So
All
since they haven't come yet today, does that mean I'm not getting any today?
Oh
Mr.
no,
Mailman?
she'll come by. All right there, honey. Let's go look at what we came here for. Resist the chicks.
Quack, quack. Look at them. They're so yellow and fluffy. So cute.
All right, you. Let's go. Where's she going now?
Get one of these for our...
No, we're not buying any chickens.
Look how handsome he is. Make our girls very happy.
I don't think so. We're not
Oh, I
buying any
think
chickens.
so.
Or roosters.
Not a real one.
All right, let's go look at what we came to look for.
All right. Hey, those aren't grapes, those are plums. Ooh,
You see your peach trees, plum
they're only
trees.
13. You pot it inside and then bring it outside when it's warmer. Look, and they're already budding.
Ooh, cherry trees. And apples.
Golden Delicious, Fuji. I'm not a big cherry fan. I'm sure you and the girls would like them. I just don't care for cherries.
Mm-hmm.
They only get the delicious brands. And then the Fuji. I don't know if that's a good baking apple.
The Fiji's are good apples.
Yeah. Are they good for baking though? 'Cause
I don't-
the delicious ones are horrible for baking.
I don't know.
Dun 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 dun. Green acres is the place to be. Berries.
Yeah, we got plenty of raspberries, but the grapes and these boysenberries would be a good option.
Nice addition.
Look at these blueberries.
I know the pink lemonade.
Pink lemonade ones.
The first pink blueberry, naturally high in antioxidants, pinkish white, showy bell-shaped flowers.
You got the. Oh, I thought I saw strawberries, but I don't. Just raspberries. Oh, there it goes. Again, this is the stuff we didn't come to look for.
And I want asparagus.
I
And
know.
this one has 6 roots versus the one that was at Walmart for the same price.
Yep. Well, we know to get it here then. And we can try the greenhouse too. Because we might be better off there. You want to ask someone?
Yeah.
Kids garden tools?
There should be something in the center court.
In the center court?
Yeah.
This is the stuff we came to look at. Get that type stuff. You know what this would be good for? Either one of these 2 items? Having the kids help us clean the coop.
They're $4.99.
$4.99? Oh, thank you.
We're at Blue Seal
Oh,
Feeds.
jeez, it's gonna happen again.
Yep. I get a second chance at getting chicks. How can anybody resist those? They're so cute. They're little fluffy nuggets.
Again?
They're cute to look at. Page for double entry. How many?
Alright guys, I hope you liked our response video to White House on the Hills resisting the baby chicks video. I'll put a link to that one up here so you guys can go check them out as well. It's a great channel. I really like watching them and I think they're doing some great things. Other than that, again, let us know what you like. Hit that subscribe button down below and click that bell so you get the notifications the next time we upload a video. Alright, and check out our other ones. I'll put some other videos right here for you to check out. And have a good day, guys. Thanks for coming along with us. Bye.